Although health experts squabble about just about everything, there is one thing every health expert worth his or her salt agrees about, that we should all eat more fresh green vegetables. Conventional wisdom says that we should eat more fruits and vegetables to boost health. But they've got that in the wrong order. Fruits are a nice treat, but best enjoyed in moderation if you're looking to lose fat. Fresh non-starchy veggies are a fat burner's best friend. But eating them doesn't have to be a chore. Raw veggie addiction is a real thing. I crave greens every day and get cranky without them. That's where you want to be. Push through the first few days of salad eating until you're hooked. I eat an enormous amount of vegetables, as often as I can, usually several times a day, which takes deliberate effort. How to get your greens on with a big ol' salad? Nothing is easier or more filling for a quick fat-burning dinner or lunch, at home or to go, than a big salad like this one. You'll fill up on fiber and micronutrients from greens, a decent amount of protein, and healthy fats. For a quick dressing, drizzled with good quality extra virgin olive oil and a squeeze of lemon. Don't like tomato? Sub in red bell peppers. Not a fan of cucumber? Switch it out for sliced celery. Don't want turkey? Use canned salmon or leftover chicken. The big bowl of leafy greens is your healthy base for whatever flavors you want to add. Tweaking your wild recipes is part of the fun. To make it even better for you, and to save money, slice of home-roasted turkey, chicken, fish, or beef in place of the lunch meat, and you can always add leftover bacon for a little extra crunch. Wait, is there such a thing as leftover bacon? Would you like to try some delicious fat-melting meals like beef short ribs or bacon-wrapped scallops? By joining our fat-burning tribe community, you'll get these recipes and dozens of others, plus instant access to our quick start video library, cooking videos, Q&A videos, tips, tricks, and articles updated regularly. Need more? You'll also get access to the tribe's private Facebook group where you can ask questions, share recipes, workouts, and scrumptious food pics. Right now you can join for free for your first 7 days to try everything out. Here's what tribe members are saying. Wesley Victory. After 5 weeks of low to no carb and sugar-free eating, I am officially off of my 2 diabetes medications. We are what we eat. Yahooooo. Nicholas Hay Tribe. I just wanted to check in after week 1. I lost 12.1 pounds and my wife lost 7.8 pounds. This without exercise. If I can do it, so can you. Sue just wanted to thank everyone for being so supportive. I've always felt alone when I have tried to eat better, and it seems like no one ever understands. This support is just what I needed to stay on track. Jen, after weeks of only losing 0.2, 0.6, 0.4 with Weight Watchers. My first full week on the wild diet and I lost 4 pounds with only exercising once. Plus I have PCOS, Hashimoto's, and endometriosis. The scale moved. I cannot wait to add more exercising in daily and see what the new week brings. Wait, there's more. We're excited to announce that tribe members also get a new 30-day meal plan every month. That's 30 days of delicious recipes with step-by-step instructions and full color photos. It's like getting a new wild diet cookbook every month, and you can get started for free for your first 7 days. Don't wait. You deserve delicious food, awesome support, and your health.